Hello students, very warm welcome you all. Today I am going to discuss about numerical of force and momentum. Dear students, today's topic related to numericals of this chapter. First numericals related to momentum. Dear students, in our previous video we have discussed about momentum. Momentum means product of mass and velocity. So let's discuss about numerical of momentum. First numerical is what will be the momentum of a stone having mass of 10 kg when it is thrown with a velocity of 2 meter per second. Dear students, to calculate this type of numerical, we will use formula of momentum. Here is given mass of the object is given, that is equal to 10 kg, and velocity is also given, and we have to find momentum. Momentum is mass and velocity. So dear students, here value of mass is 10 and velocity is 2 meter per second. So product of this is 2 into 10, that is equal to 20 kg meter per second. So this is first type of question. Let's discuss about next type of question. This is second question. In this question is calculate the momentum of a bullet having mass 25 gram. In this case, mass is in the form of gram. So you have to notice that always we write SI units of the quantity. What is the SI unit of quantity? SI unit of quantity of mass means SI unit of mass is kg. So first we will convert gram into kg. So here 25 gram means 25 upon 1000 kg, that is equal to 0.25 kg. And now we want to calculate momentum. Again we will write formula of momentum, mass into velocity, that is equal to 0.025 into 0.1, and value of momentum is 0.0025 kg meter per second. Students, you have to notice always all the quantities should be its SI unit. In the case of momentum, mass should be in its SI units, means kg, mass should be kg, and velocity should be in the form of meter per second. This is third type of question. In this case, again we have to find momentum. The mass of goods lorry is 4000 kg and the mass of goods loaded on it is 20,000 kg. If the lorry is moving with a velocity of this and this, what will be momentum? Here again velocity is in its SI unit, that is equal to 2 meter per second. Now first we will calculate total mass. Mass of lorry is 4000 kg and mass of goods on the lorry is 20,000 kg. So total mass is 4000 plus 4000 plus 20,000 kg, that is equal to 24,000 kg. Now we can easily calculate value of momentum with the help of mass and velocity. Product of 24,000 kg and 2, that is equal to 48,000 kg meter per second. Now dear students, we will discuss question related to force. We have already discussed in second law of motion, force is equal to mass into acceleration. Again, in this type of question, we have to notice again that all quantities should be its SI unit. SI unit of force is Newton and SI unit of mass is meter per second. SI unit of acceleration is meter per second square and mass is kg. In this question, if 1000 Newton of force, listen, if 1000 Newton of force is required to accelerate an object 5 meter per second, what will be weight of the object? Again, in this case, we have to calculate weight means mass. In this case, we have to calculate weight of the objects. First, we will write formula. Formula of force is mass into acceleration. So, mass is equal to, you have to write mass is equal to force upon acceleration. Value of force is 1000 Newton and acceleration is 5 meter per second square. That means force mass is equal to force upon acceleration 1000 upon 5, that is equal to 200 kg. Answer is 200 kg. So mass is 200 kg. Next, again in this question we have to calculate mass again. Acceleration is given. A vehicle accelerates at the rate of 10 meter per second. So here acceleration is 10 meter per second and it is given acceleration in its SI units. Next, after applying the force of 50,000 Newton, again force is in its SI units. So we have to calculate mass. With the help of formula, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So mass is equal to force upon acceleration. Dear students, calculate this question by your own calculation. Now we will discuss about next type of question. Again, this is related to momentum. Calculate the momentum of a bullet having mass 25 gram thrown using hand with a velocity of this and this meter. In this question, velocity is in its SI unit, but mass is not in its SI unit. First, we will convert velocity. First, we will convert mass in its SI unit. Mass is in the form of gram, so we will convert it in the form of kilogram by dividing 1000. So that is equal to this. Again, with the help of formula of momentum, we can easily calculate value of momentum. Now, in next question, what will be its momentum? Again, question related to momentum is this. A car having mass of 1000 kg is moving with the velocity of this. What will be its momentum? Velocity in its SI unit, mass is also in its SI unit. So with the help of momentum, formula of momentum is product of mass and velocity. We can easily calculate this question. Now in question number 8, what the acceleration of vehicle? We have to calculate in this case acceleration. A vehicle of mass 1000 kg after applying a force of this. In this question, mass is in its SI unit 1000 kg and force is also in its SI unit. That is equal to 5000 Newton. With the help of formula of force, force is equal to mass into acceleration, and we have to calculate, in this question we have to calculate value of acceleration. So acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Value of force is given 5000 upon 1000, that is equal to 5 meter per second. Now in next question, again an object requires the force of 100 Newton. Again, force is in its SI unit. To achieve the acceleration A, if the mass of the object is 500 kg and again mass is also in its SI unit, we have to calculate acceleration. We can calculate acceleration very easily. Acceleration is equal to, what will be the value of acceleration? Acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Acceleration is equal to force upon mass. Force is given 100 Newton, mass is 500 kg. So 100 upon 500, that is equal to 1 upon 5. In its simplest form, its value is 0.2 meter per second square. Next question related to, again, calculate the force. We have to calculate force needed to stop a car with the rate of 5 meter per second square. Here acceleration 5 meter per second square. So acceleration is in its SI unit. If the mass is 1000 kg, again mass is also in the form of its SI unit. So we can easily calculate by multiplying rule of force is equal to mass into acceleration. So here mass is also given, acceleration is given, 1000 into 5, that is equal to 5000 meter per second square. Acceleration is 5000 meter per second square. Next question. If the mass of a moving object is 50 kg, what will be required to speeds at the rate of 2 meter per second square? Again here given mass and acceleration. Mass is 50 kg, so mass in the form of its SI units, and acceleration also it's in the form of its SI unit. We have to calculate force. So force is mass into acceleration. With the help of formula force is equal to mass into acceleration, we can easily calculate this question also. Dear students, in this type of question, you have to notice only that all quantities should be its SI unit, and you have to knowledge about its formula. Example, momentum is equal to product of mass and velocity. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Mass is equal to force upon acceleration. Acceleration is equal to force upon mass. So try this type of question at your home. Now in our next video, we will discuss numerical related to linear conservation of momentum. Thank you.